Hi, my name's Katherine. I'm a senior stylist here at Verde Salon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to style naturally curly hair. To style your naturally curly hair, I like to start with the Nutriplenish Daily Moisturizing Treatment. So you want to put about a dime to a quarter size in the palm of your hand. Really work it in, and then rub it through your mids and your ends. You want to make sure you're really saturating the product as well. You can also decide if you want to comb through your hair as well. You don't necessarily have to. I like to just make sure the product's completely dispersed through my hair. And if you're combing, you want to make sure you're using a wide tooth comb. And then next I go in with the Nutriplenish Curl Gelée. This product, a little goes a long way, so I like to section my hair off into 2 sections. Use a quarter to a loonie size amount again. Really work it into your hands. It's almost gonna foam up. You'll be able to hear it. And then run it through with your fingers, just rake it through the hair. Start at the ends and work your way up to the top. Same with on the other side. And then to clump your curls together, I like to take a little bit in my hands and sandwich the ends of my curls together. You don't have to use a lot of tension, just work it through. And then after you're finished with that, I like to scrunch up my curls. And you want to make sure you're scrunching all the way up to the root as well. Same with at the back, all the way up to the crown. And then I just like to take a couple pumps of the oil as well. And then just kind of scrunch that into the ends just to help with frizz control. And then you're gonna go in and diffuse your hair. You don't have to have it on super high heat. It'll be on more of a warm setting, but you have it on medium to high speed. And then after you're finished blow drying, I just like to take my fingers and just rough up the roots a little bit. If your hair's still slightly damp, that's okay. You just want to get it 75 to 80% dry. And then after, you can use a little bit of the multi-use oil again. And just kind of scrunch that into your ends and your mids just to reduce frizz. But by making sure you diffuse from soaking wet hair, you're not diffusing in any frizz, so you should avoid a lot of that as well. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out all the products in the description box below.